Hello everyone. So in our today's question, we have to find all k-distant indices in an array. So you have given a zero index array of numbers and two integers key and k. So you have to find the k-distance indices. So how determine the index is k-distance or not? So all you have to do, you have to find the value of j who is equal to key, and then if for example the value of j is 2, and all you have to do, you have to like minus the current index value from the value of j, and if it is less than or equal to k, then it is in the k distance, and all we have to do, we have to return the list of k distant indices sorted in increasing order. So we have to return sorted order. So it's an easy equation from leetcode. So all we have to do, first we have to find the value of j which is equal to k. So if I write value of j is 0, 1, 2, so 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 5. So you got two value from the nums array, and they are 2 and 5. Now we have to find the index. So index or indices, we have to find the index where a difference between the index is less than or equal to k. So if I take 0 index, so difference between 0 and obviously we will take the first one. So 0 and 2 is 2, which is greater than value of k. So we can't take it in our array. Then if I do 1 minus 2, the difference is 1, which is less than or equal to value of k. So our new array will be 1. Then again, if I go 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, which is less than equal to k. So 2. For 3 also, 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, but we are going to take the absolute difference. So it will be 1, again 3, and again 4 minus 2, 2. But here I can take 4, right? The difference is more than like greater than value of k, but we have another j here, right, whose value is 5. So what we can do, we can just simply say 4 minus 5, which is 1. Yeah, which is 1. 4 minus 5, absolute difference is 1. Sorry, here my my bad, like 3 minus 2 will be 1, right? And 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, but we are taking the absolute difference, so it will be 1. So again, 4 minus 5 should be minus 1, but the absolute difference will be 1. Again, we can take 4 and 5, 6, like this. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the difference. So here is like small tricks. First, find the value of j. So we can run a loop, j equal to 0 till n minus 1. If I find any array which is, for example, which is equal to, if I find an index whose value is equal to key, so our first value will be 0, the 2. Then all we have to do, if so we found j equal to 2, all we have to do, you have to like minus the we have to find the difference, like what we can go minimum and what we can go maximum. So minimum we can go j minus value of k, right? So here it will be 2 minus 1. So minimum we can go 1, and maximum we can go j plus k, which is 2 plus 1. Okay. So from index 1 to index 3, we will just push it. Then here push 1, 2, 3. Again, I'll look for okay, I got j, like value of j2 I found. Again, I'll go to like 3, 4, and on the 5th index I'll find another value k value. So now again j equal to 5. So again I'll go minimum equal to j minus k, which is 5 minus 1 equal to 4, right? And maximum is j plus k, which is 5 minus 1 equal to 6, right? Then again we will push 4, 5, 6, right? Then our final output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. But here is a small catch, like if I need to solve the corner case, for example, our array is 1. I'll just press the previous one. Okay. So for example, here is another 9. Okay. This is 9. For example, this is 9. So our value of j will be, first it will find 2. Then we will push 1, 2, 3, right? Then our next j will be 4, right? 4. Then all we have to do, if we do j minus k, which is 4 minus 1 equal to 3, right? Then we have to add 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5, right? Then we have to push, right? 3, 4, 5. But if we have a look, previously we pushed 3 already. Again, we are pushing 3 here as well. So we are getting duplicate value, right? But it's not allowed. So all we can do here, we can say at the beginning, I'm going on my newEnd or end. Okay, we can take end value, right? End value. Initially, I'll put 0 or minus 1. Okay, and every time I'll try to find which one is maximum. So maximum of end value or maximum of end value or j minus k. So here end value is 3, maximum of end plus 1. Yeah, maximum of end plus 1. So here end value is 3. So max value will be, we'll find maximum of 4 and j minus k will be 3. So our newEnd will be 4. So we'll start from 4. Then what we will do, I'll just remove this one. So our new value will be 4 and 5. And for finding the maximum, means for finding the newEnd value, what I can do, I'll just write minimum of k j plus k or our size. We shouldn't go like more than our size, right? For example, if the difference is 2 here and we found on our 5th index, then 5 plus 2 will be 7, right? But our array size is, last index is 6. So we shouldn't go more than we shouldn't overflow our array. And if I do code here, I already did. First, what I did, I took the size, then I took vector. I initialize the new array with -1, then I run a loop. Each time I find the j value, which is equal to k, then I start from maximum of newEnd plus 1 or j minus k. And my newEnd will be minimum of j plus k and n minus 1, right? And then I start a loop, I equal to start, I less than equal to newEnd, I plus plus, And again, I'm pushing the value of I. So I submit this one. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.